I will show you how to install VUGERA Doorbell. When using the battery to charge, installation is so simple. First, mark the installation location. Remove the red adhesive sticker from the back cover of the doorbell and stick it on the wall with a smooth surface. The adhesive on the sticker becomes stronger after 24 hours. So it is recommended that you place the device on the cover the next day after attaching it. Turn on the power. Place the device on the back cover. And secure the bottom of the device with security screws to complete the installation. You can mount it on the wall with screws to increase the fixation compared to attaching it with a sticker. Drill 2 pilot holes in the wall and insert a plastic screw anchor into the holes. Secure the back cover with security screws and you're done. When you connect the device with a power cable, power is supplied without the need for charging. First, shut off the power at the breaker, then remove your existing doorbell button from the wall and disconnect the wires. If your doorbell wires are too short to wire to your device, you can use the included wire extensions and wire nuts to extend them. To do this, line each wire extension up with a doorbell wire and twist the nut onto them clockwise until they're securely connected. Then loosen the terminal screws on the back of your device. Now you can secure the doorbell wires under the terminal screws and give them a little tug to make sure they're firmly attached. Then feed all the wires back into your wall. Next, secure your video doorbell using the provided screws. Turn power on at the breaker and you're done. The installation method applies to all models. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please press the like and subscribe buttons.